एक सफ़र जो सिर्फ मंजिल तक नहीं बल्कि सुकून और बरकत की तलाश थी। Our tickets were for chair car, but thanks to railway mix-up, we ended up in sleeper coach और ये तो एक blessing निकली। Unlike chair car, where you can't even straighten your legs, यहाँ मैंने full stretch करके relax किया। Train journey equals snacks time। एक water bottle ली, fruit juice पिया और भूख लगने पर चिप्स कुरकुरे वगैरह खाए जो मैं रिकॉर्ड करना ही भूल गया। I was also checking the live running status and we were about to reach at 9:30 p.m. From railway station to Amritsar streets, we took an auto to find a hotel near Golden Temple since we had to leave for Amrit Vela Darshan at 1:30 a.m. because staying near was the best choice. And then we finally checked into our hotel. The exhaustion of travel quickly faded as we freshened up, eager to explore the vibrant streets of Amritsar. As we strolled through the bustling market, a sudden craving led us to the food stall selling the most heavenly momo. One bite and I was spellbound. The perfect balance of spice, tenderness and smokiness. Even now I can still taste the mouth-watering flavor. अगर आप अमृतसर जाओ तो वहाँ के मोमो ज़रूर खाना. And my sister on the other hand enjoyed the refreshing mojito और पापा ने लिए अपने लिए राम लड्डू ठीक ठाक थे. As the clock ticked 11:15 p.m. तब हम गए डिनर के लिए. वहाँ तो सब हाथ पकड़ कर खींच रहे थे. Where my mother and I shared a traditional veg thali, while my father, being a purist, indulged in the iconic Amritsari kulcha because when in Amritsar, eat as Amritsaris do. My sister, however, decided to switch things up and went for the South Indian dosa. उसके बाद my mom suddenly longed for the famous kesar milk. ये अंकल तो रात के 1 बजे तक बैठते हैं और हाँ ये एक edited clip है to show you exactly what I missed capturing in real time. We took short half-an-hour break at the hotel, freshened up and set for the Amrit Vela Darshan. As we reached, we deposited our footwear at the designated area and stepped into the holy water. और उसी वक्त I got busted because video recording was not allowed. The night view was surreal and breathtaking. Before entering the sanctum, we performed an important ritual that was इस holy water में स्नान करना जहाँ आपकी सारे wishes पूरी हो जाती हैं and it also cleanses your soul. However, I wasn't allowed to record the video, but unlike my last visit, which was 5 to 6 years ago, hooks has been installed for hanging clothes while drenching into the holy water, making the process more convenient. We then stood in a line for about 10 to 15 minutes, which felt surprisingly effortless compared to the usual long queues in daytime, and then the moment arrived. As I stepped inside, I was left speechless. टीवी पर देखे हुए नज़ारे को असली दुनिया में फील करना felt like unreal. Since personal recording wasn't permitted, I've added some internet-sourced clips to give you the glimpse of this divine beauty. After seeking blessings, फिर हम गए पालके साहिब सेरेमनी को अटेंड करने के लिए 4:45 AM पर. An experience that was both sacred and surreal. जाने से पहले हमने लिए कड़ा प्रसाद, the rich and warm wheat flour pudding, which was hands down the most divine prasad I've ever tasted. गुरुद्वारे का यहाँ कड़ा प्रसाद स्वाद से ज़्यादा भक्ति और श्रद्धा से भरपूर होता है. And then the next day, before checking out of the hotel, we indulged in an authentic Amritsari breakfast at the renowned yet legendary Kulwant Singh Kulche Wale, savoring their iconic Amritsari kulcha. With our appetite satisfied, we proceeded to check out and securely deposited our luggage in the baggage room of the Golden Temple, ensuring a hassle-free experience for the rest of our journey. सुबह की रोशनी में गुरुद्वारे का वैभव और भी अद्भुत लग रहा था. फिर हमने खिंचवाई यहाँ पे बहुत सारी फोटोज़ and here are some of the photographs that we clicked over there. जलियांवाला बाग जाने से पहले we made an impromptu stop for softies, a much needed treat after all the walking. हमने भी softies इसलिए लिए because what made this experience even more special was witnessing people relishing their softies with pure joy. तो हमने भी ले लिए अपने पसंदीदा flavors chocolate, strawberry and butterscotch. With softies in hand, we finally reached Jallianwala Bagh and the first thing that caught my attention was a beautifully curved granite stone with water oozing from it. It was mesmerizing. I even clicked a photograph there before stepping inside, where the atmosphere suddenly turned somber. Before witnessing the bullet-ridden walls, we first explored the museum, where history came alive through old newspaper clippings, photographs and documents. इतिहास की ये यादें सिर्फ किताबों में नहीं, इन दीवारों में आज भी बसी है. Scrutinizing these details, the horrors of that fateful day became more real. And then we saw the bullet-ridden walls standing as a chilling reminder of the tragic massacre. और ये जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर की हिस्ट्री हम सब ने क्लास 10th की हिस्ट्री में पढ़ी है। रॉल अटैक, जनरल डायर एंड ऑल। The weight of the history hit everyone, especially those capturing the moment through live recordings. We also saw the Martyrs' Well, where hundreds of people jumped to escape the bullets, but sadly not everyone survived. We also clicked some photographs over there, and the glimpse of those photographs are here. Our next stop was Baba Deep Singh Gurudwara, but getting there was a challenge. The streets were packed and even e-rickshaw struggled to pass through the road. गुरुद्वारे जाकर हमने अच्छे से दर्शन करे, विशेस मांगी और लंगर खाया, जिसकी रिकॉर्डिंग में अच्छे से कर नहीं पाया. And the langar we had, it was simple yet soulful meal that truly embodied the spirit of seva and satsang. उसके बाद हमने ली ये मैनुअल रिक्शा राइड, something I hadn't done in years. It felt nostalgic yet amazing. As I attempted to record a few clips in the fully packed, congested market, I felt a bit awkward. But as a content creator, developing confidence in such moments is essential. फिर हम बैक साइड पहुंचे गोल्डन टेम्पल की और हमने देखी ये फेमस शॉप जहाँ पे 5 रुपीज़ की पेप्सी और सारी ड्रिंक्स मिलती है, तो हमने भी ली 2 पेप्सी. बस फिर गुरुद्वारे पहुंचकर हमने लिए अपना लगेज बैगेज रूम से. एग्जॉस्ट एंड फाइनली caught up with us. Sleep deprived and drained, we headed to the railway station to catch our chair car train back home. पापा और मैं ट्रेन के डोर पे खड़े थे. We were enjoying the view and this bridge was pretty long and it was amazing to watch. फिर उसके बाद पेंट्री वाले भैया आए वेज कटलेट और ब्रेड लेकर. दिस इज़ द ऑथेंटिक स्टाइल ऑफ कटलेट्स दैट इज़ बीइंग प्रोवाइडेड बाय द रेलवे सर्विसेज, और ये बहुत डिलिशियस थे. हमने कुछ लंच भी नहीं करा था इसलिए पापा ने भी लिए एंड इट वाज अ बिट फुलफिलिंग स्नैक दैट वी गॉट ओवर देयर. रात के सफ़र में ट्रेन की खिड़की से झांकते हुए अमृतसर की यादें जैसे फिर से ताज़ा हो गई. As our train pulled up into Chandigarh railway station at 9:30 p.m, our journey came to an end, but the memories we made will last forever. यात्रा खत्म हो सकती है, लेकिन सफ़र की कहानियाँ हमेशा दिल में रह जाती है. Stay tuned for more exciting travel content. See you in my next vlog. So धन्यवाद.